I rarely buy kits, but this is a kind of a specially produced kit. I always wanted to build a televisor myself, never found the time to do so. So I found this very nice kit, and as we speak, it's almost the end of 2024. We're at November, and I finally decided to buy one. The cost is around 70 to 75 euros, and you buy it directly from this website, at the Mindsets website. There is only one televisor kit in the world, uh, as I'm aware, as long as I'm aware of, and it was quite a remarkable price for such a kit. The problem with me was that this company is in UK and I live in Greece, and I had this huge import taxes to pay, almost double the price of the actual item. So take a note, if you are buying this kit outside of UK, you have to pay taxes. In my case was about the same price, maybe a little bit more. So, but that's the end of the bad things. And so inside here, there's a nice televisor kit that I want to build, and I'm going to open the box now and see what's inside. So it comes with a carton enclosure with a nice printed sticker onto it, and inside there's the NBTVA paper. Interesting. They say that they have paid some amount on them for producing this kit in the narrow bandwidth television association. All right, and here's the manual, a very simple manual. And here are all the components. Now, there was a bubble wrap all around this box here, and also this the electronic circuit was also inside the bubble wrap, which I have removed, and we can see a few things about this. It's very interesting, well built. It's pre-assembled, okay, so you don't have to assemble any electronics yourself. It's pre-assembled. So here is the actual circuit, and from the other side, not many things here. All right, and there's a battery case here, and the lens, and a few mechanical parts here, screws and nuts, and the lens is protected. It's inside the plastic, and of course the body, which is also protected. It's plexiglass and protected with protection stickers, which we'll have to remove at some point when we assemble this. A cable, standard audio cable, and I don't know what this is. I haven't opened this yet. The CD, which is provided by them. I think it's I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I think there's lots of things inside here, because I see that they have written all the way up to here, and that would be a lot of information for narrowband TV. So I have to check it out when I build this. Of course, the NIPCO disc inside here. I haven't opened this yet, and a sticker, a nice sticker, and the other part of the frame of the televisor. And I want to see also what is this part. There are not other parts, but let's open this one as well. Of course, this was the LED part, the LED PCB, just a single LED, red LED, high brightness. Okay, so that's it. All the parts are here, and I'm going to read the manual. It's mostly self-explanatory how to build it, but I'm going to read the manual and enjoy building it. I am not going to go through the building procedure. This is described in the manual, and I'm going to present the final televisor and do a few tests and see these nice low resolution images and have fun. So I'll come back to you in a few days when I assemble this. Okay, I said I wouldn't spend time in showing the assembly procedure, but there are a few interesting things to note here. This is the image screen, as they call it. Okay, it's a plexiglass with a diffusion plastic soldered sticker, diffusion sticker, and this is the lens, which I think by the it's plastic. Okay, plastic lens, a very nice 3D printed frame for the lens. And here's a nice an interesting thing. They connect the power of the LED to the board, not by soldering, but by using these conductive spacers. Okay, so as long as it's connected, the screws are placed here with the spacers, the power to the LED, the power is passed to the LED here. So that's something very interesting and very clever, without soldering, to use those conductive spacers to pass the power to the LED. Another thing to notice is that this image screen, as they call it, has the diffusion sticker on one side, but on the other side it has a protective layer. So I think I have to remove this layer to mount it. Another interesting thing that is not mentioned in the manual, they say to fix the LED board and the image screen to the circuit board using 2 metal spacers and 4 small screws. But they don't mention how you should put the image screen. Should you put it like this or like this? You see, the diffuser is from that end. I move the piece so you can see the glare. The diffuser is in that area, and from the other side is the acrylic. So how should I put it? And I think I should put it that way, so the LED points directly to the diffuser. And the reason is that if I put it that way, you can see all the glare of the camera, of the LED, the LED of the camera, and it causes some of the light to reflect back. Now we have to have as much light as we can. So I think I'm going to put it that way, with the LED facing that area, so that the diffusion is caused without any glare, and hopefully I won't lose any light that way. At this point of assembly, I would really prefer for those screws here to be non-straight screws, but cross type screws, let's say, or a little bit deeper